Today we are going to make energy balls. We all need a boost of energy at some point in the day, be it pre or post workout or between meals, which is why these nutrient-packed energy balls are perfect for a busy day. Moreover, they are simple to make and easily customized. We will begin the prep by de-seeding the dates. We will then add the dates and raisins to a bowl and soak it in warm water. After 30 minutes, depending on the quantity, grind the dates and raisins in 1 or 2 batches. Avoid adding too much water. We don't want to thin the paste, as this will help bind all the ingredients in the energy balls together. Next, we will roast some rolled oats until nice and toasty. Once done, pulse it a couple of times in the grinder. To make our very own almond butter, start by roasting a cup of whole almonds on medium flame until fragrant and they visibly start to change color. Once done, take it off the flame and blend while it's still warm. This will help blend with ease and result in a smooth and silky texture. To make cashew butter, roast a cup of broken cashews. Once roasted, take it off the flame and blend it while still warm. To make rose and nuts energy ball, we will need 1/4 cup of broken cashews, a teaspoon of rose petal powder, add 2 tablespoons of warm water and after 30 minutes, blend it. You can substitute the rose petal powder with rose essence. In a food processor, add rolled oats flour, date and raisin paste, peanut butter, rose and cashew blend, beetroot powder, and set it to blend. Beetroot powder is optional. I'm using it for the nutrient value but also to add more color to the dough. Once done, scrape the sides and roughly bring the dough together. Roll into tiny balls and top it with your choice of topping. I am using coarsely chopped pumpkin seeds. To make mocha oats, add to a food processor rolled oats flour, broken cashew and black raisins, unsweetened cocoa powder, date and raisin paste, cashew butter, vanilla extract, and instant coffee mixed with a tablespoon of water. Set it to blend, and within a minute you'll have dough ready to mold. Roll it into tiny balls and top it with your choice of toppings. I am using roasted almond flakes. To make coconut almond, add to a food processor a cup of almond flour, desiccated coconut, date and raisin paste, beetroot powder, sea salt, vanilla extract, and set it to blend. Once done, scrape the dough into a bowl. Roll into tiny bite-sized balls and top it with your choice of topping. I am using desiccated coconut. To make protein berry balls, add to a food processor a cup of almond flour, a mix of dried berries, a scoop of protein powder, peanut butter, and vanilla extract. Pulse it for a couple of seconds to incorporate the berries. Add acai berry powder, date and raisin paste, and pulse it a couple of times more. Finally, if the blend seems too dry, add a teaspoon or two of coconut oil and blend it for the final time. Once done, bring the dough together and roll into tiny bite-sized balls. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot when you do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.